That's all I had to fucking do, and
That's
I
because
fucking blew it.
you was that one hit wonder that they don't want in their company, bro.
That shit crazy. I was up a fucking band in profits, bro. Like what?
You wasn't. You only up like 500.
No, bro. You don't even know. Like you just don't even know.
Oh, you was over there over risking. That's how you got up a band, huh?
Nigga, I was up like 1,600, nigga. Oh god.
You stupid as fuck. I told this nigga, I said, bro, you don't gotta big wins. All you gotta do is win. Hit 1 to 2 risk rewards, bro. That's it.
I swear to God, nigga, my account said 6,500, and nigga, I called Aaron, bro. Nigga, next in the next like 4 hours, nigga, that bitch must have been gone.
Dumbass. He dumb as hell, chat.
Hey, but Nate, hey, watch my stream real quick, bro. Hey, bro, I want you to help me do something real quick. I need you to help me with my zones, bro. You hear me? Nay. Nay, bro. Nay. Nay. I hate this nigga, bro. Nay, bro. Nah, this nigga just A-okay. Bro, nay, bro.
Hey, Tay, I think he learned his lesson.
Nay, bro. What the fuck, dude?
What, bitch? Trump, bitch ass nigga.
Nigga, next time you leave, tell me you leaving, bitch.
Tell me what to do, bro. I don't know who the fuck you think you is, fuck nigga. You learn your lesson, chat? Did you learn his lesson? I'm trying to think, man. I'm trying to think. What's good, Siraj? What's good, buddy? What's good, buddy? Let me see what else we got to do over here.
I ain't playing with you this morning, bro. Bro, nay, bro.
What?
Let me tell you this one time only. Hey, bro, how you know I got new talents, bro? I just want to know. Bro, you finna piss me off. Nay, bro.
What, bro?
But look at my screen, bro. Like, what is you doing?
Going over my trades before I went to sleep, bitch, nigga.
You can do that shit later.
No, I can't. Don't tell me how to run my show, fuck nigga. What do you know? Shit, some random ass nigga, bro. I don't know this little nigga, bro. He annoying as fuck.
I'm the fucking show.
He ain't no show. What you want, bro? What am I looking at, bro?
Bro, I need you, bro. Nigga, how the fuck do I change that fucking line shit, bro? Like, gang, I need you to help me with my zones, gang.
No, you don't. Remember you said you don't got eyes like me. We don't draw the same zones.
Nah, gang. This shit, fuck. I know what you saying now, though, but, like, I just can't fucking, like, I don't know, gang. I just don't like using these horizontal lines, bro. But, I can't use the rectangle tool because that shit, like, bro, that shit is so stupid.
Bro, I don't know what to tell you. You said you don't draw your zone like me. We don't got the same eyes. You treat like time to eat.
Bro, don't piss me off.
That's what you said, bro. Stand on business. Just because you got clapped up, you couldn't be consistent. Don't try to come back over here, nigga. Stay where you was at, bro.
No, bro. No. I'm just saying, bro. Just give me a little bit of insight, bro, on how you be playing your zone game.
I got no insight, bro. I got no insight for you, bro.
Bro, I don't even know what the fuck that nigga be doing, gang. I ain't gonna lie.
I know you don't. You just be clicking shit. That's why I said. Niggas was having that beginner's luck. Thought he was a man.
Nigga, I was going crazy. Nigga, I said, oh my god, nigga, I almost got 2K. I must have looked that big, that motherfucker.
What's good, Gizzy? Gizzy S. Welcome to the stream. Let's get this my breakdown, bro. Before this nigga give me a headache, bro. All right, see what we got. We're gonna start off on gold. See what gold got for me. This is my breakdown from yesterday. Let's get a whole new trade idea. All right, so we'll start off on the time frame.
Yeah,
I like to do my breakdowns. Shut the fuck up. I like to do my breakdowns. Wait, why my camera not on? I just peed, bro.
Hold on, bro. Let me get on Trader Hall Extreme, bro.
I don't come watch.
Ever wondered if there's an easier way?
What you on TikTok? Nah, ooh, my one nigga live. Never mind. I'm finna get on his shit.
Design, develop.
Bro, turn your desktop audio down. Why do I hear your shit, bro? This is actually annoying.
Holy.
This is actually annoying.
Holy.
This is actually annoying. Bro, I hear myself.
Holy.
This is actually annoying. Bro, I hear myself.
Holy.
This is actually annoying. Bro, I hear myself.
Holy.
This is actually annoying. This thing made foot. Get what I'm finna do, bro. Wait, turn my face camera on. All right, let's see. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, let's get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. All right, let's get into gold breakdown, bro. So the daily time frame on gold is bullish. We are creating higher highs and higher lows, right? We were creating lower lows and lower highs right over here. We have a higher low right over here. This push up took out this high and this high, starting to show some bullish structure. Looking at the bullish structure we have higher highs and higher lows here. Right, we have a new high up here. Anything within here is considered a pullback until we break below this previous high low on the daily time frame. So this lets me know that below this level is where the daily go bullish, but currently the daily bearish, but currently the daily is bullish. All right. That being said, let's go back to my black charts actually. Let's go back to black charts, and we're gonna go white candles. All right, daily is bullish as long as we maintain above this daily higher low. Turn on to the 4-hour time frame and see what we got going on the 4-hour time frame. Let's delete this now. Now we're looking at the 4-hour structure. Looking at the 4-hour structure, starting down here, we are creating higher highs and higher lows once again. It's just a little bit more precision. That is higher high up here. This push down, took out this most recent 4-hour higher low. Then we created a lower high. Now we have a new lower low right over here. All right. So the 4-hour is bearish. The 4-hour should remain bearish as long as we stay below this 4-hour lower high. 4-hour is bearish below this level. So now the daily is bullish above here. 4-hour is bearish below here. So this is lets me know we in a range. Bullish above here, bearish below here. Okay, in a range. So we should be looking for buys off of this daily level, potentially. All right, jump down to the 1-hour time frame just to get some more detail about what's going on over here. Just looking on the 1-hour time frame. We was creating some higher highs and higher lows right over here. Boom, boom, boom. This push down took out this higher low, this higher low, this higher low, making us a new low, and have a lower high and a lower low. So this is potential lower high structure. So the 1-hour should continue bearish as long as we stay below this 1-hour higher low. I mean lower high. Nah, get up out of here, bro. Get up out of here, bro. Now, let's continue on. Go to the 30-minute time frame. Look at the 30-minute time frame. Same thing. Same idea. So this 1-hour level lines up with the 30-minute as well. So we're going to annotate this. This is a 30-minute and a 1-hour level. Sells below this area. Check out to the 15-minute. In the 15-minute, what do we see here? We see on the 15-minute that we had lower low and lower high structure here, meaning we are bearish. This push up is making our 15-minute bullish. So our 15-minute is currently bullish as long as we maintain above this 15-minute. As long as we above this 15-minute higher low. So now the question is, do I want to buy or sell? Looking at all my time frames, the daily says bullish above this level, 15 minutes says bullish above this level. There's 2 time frames telling me to buy. 1 hour says sells below this level, 30 minutes says sells below this level, and 4 hours says sells. So I want to sell more than I want to buy because I have more time frames that telling me to sell, hence the 1 hour, 30 minute, and 4 hour, than to buy, which is the daily and the 15 minute. So ideally I want to sell. Now I want to look for areas that I want to sell at. So where do I actually want to take sales? Do I want to just take random sales in this area? No, because this is a level of indecision. Right? This is the overall range. Do I want to take sales within this range? No, because it couldn't go either way as long as we're within this range. So what I want to wait for is a breaker structure to continue in my direction. So my sales will be below this daily level. The reason why my sales will be below the daily level, because if price was to drop all the way down here, then I would have more odds in my favor. Not only would I have the 1 hour, 30 minute, and 4 hour being bearish below here, meaning we'll be coming all the way down here, making a new low, continuing on to the selling pressure. Also, I have the 15-minute flipping bearish and the daily time frame flipping bearish. I have the daily 15-minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, and 4 hour all telling me to sell. So this will be the idea where I want to take clean sales. As far as buys, do I want to buy in this area? No, ideally I want to sell overall because I currently have more sales time frames in sync rather than I have buyer time frames in sync. But if price was to break above this 1 hour and 30-minute bearish below line, there is where I want to look for buys. The reason why I say here is because above this area, I will no longer just have the daily and 50-minute in buys. Now I will have the daily minute saying buys, 50-minute saying buys, and then we will be above this line, which I said we're bearish below, meaning if we go above it, we're no longer bearish. So I have the daily bullish, 15-minute bullish, 1 hour and 30-minute also telling me bullish. And I can use the 4-hour bearish lower high structure as a target. So buying above here, I will have more buyers, more buying time frames, more time frames telling me to buy. Instead of below here, I'll have every time frame telling me to sell. So that's my 2 overall biases. Now I have to get my zones marked up. Now I have my directions and my areas of interest. Now I have to get my zones. Alright, so we're gonna use this low right over here to this lower high as an area. Let's adjust this accordingly so it could be in the middle. We're gonna use this whole area down here as a support. Now we are in between this support and resistance. We are ranging here. Do I want to take a buy or a sell position in the range? No, I do not. That should look ugly as fuck. So break and retest above this zone to take buys. Break and retest below this zone to take sells. Let's look left to see how this zone actually lines up. And if we look left, I was able to capture this no trade range as well. So yeah, this is definitely a range that I do not want to participate in a trade. But below this level, we have wicks here. We can actually drag and adjust it down. Like, it don't have to be this thick, to be honest. We can leave it like this, to be honest. And we can delete this 15-minute bullish above them because that's to clear my chart up a little bit. Don't want all that clutter. So this is the big range we are trading in. Below this level, I can find some targets. I could target this level of support right over here. Let's extend this all the way to current price. My ex keep calling, I swear she be in the way. You a lame nigga boy, get up on my face, bad bitch in LA. Alright, and below this level of support, we are in between this new range. Giving me this level of new support. Meaning this is where we consolidated at the bottom of this range, played around in between these highs and these lows. So this is another major key level. Major, 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 major. Extend this to the right. Now look back over here. What do we see here? Clean candles. Clean candles on the way up right before this breakout. So now we have clean candles to fill. And we have clean candles to fill over here as well. So let's reset chart. So ideally this is my bias. Buys above here, sell below here. Simple, 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 simple. Now we do have this smaller range right here. Right? Meaning consolidation right here, breakout, a pullback, back into the range, to potentially trade to the top of the range. Do I want to trade that? Fuck no. This is a small range, not a range that I'm interested in. That is a choppy, risky range. Yeah, go buys above the resistance. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This current resistance right here. Now, based off of sales, these might be my targets on sales. Target this level of support, this level of support, and for buys, I have to have some bullish targets as well. And we're gonna look for levels of key levels of resistance to target for after I take buys. Extend this left. Okay, we have a level of resistance right here. Right, Reason why I have this level marked up, because I'm capturing this pivot point, or this elbow, or this turning point in the market. We have a turning point in the market right here as well. Resistance, and we have one as support here. It's 3 different rejections, 2 going as resistance, 1 going as support, all at the same level. Let's extend to the left to see if we have any more at the same exact level. And guess we do. We have, didn't mean to do that. We have support here, once again. And you have resistance here. Let's look on the hourly time frame to see how this same zone look on the hourly. We could drag it up a little bit. Look on the 4 hour at this same exact level. See what we're looking like. Do I like these rejections here? Yes, I do. Especially right here. These just looks a lot cleaner right here. So I like this level as a target. And right above this level, we have another level sitting right here. Very relatively close to price at this actual 4 hour bearish below level. Right, the reason why I have this level marked up is because we have resistance rejection wicks right there as a resistance. We have support in this area as support. Yeah. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. We have more rejections here at this level of support. And yeah, now we had a fake out and breakout. All at the same level. So yes, I do like both of these zones as targets for potential buyers. Alright, let's clean all of this up now. I like to have my chart fairly clean, bro. And I like to look at overall structure and not just candlestick by candlestick. Based off of overall structure, it's where I like to make my decisions. Now, candlestick by candlestick is how I like to take my entries. But I can't have an entry unless I have a decision first. Alright, gotta watch you in 0.5 speed. God, just talking. No, you just slow, bro. Hey Gizzy, let me know if you understand everything I just said. Because that Deester dude, something wrong with cuz, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, something wrong with that boy. Okay, that's my gold bias. So let's copy this image and drop it in the Discord. Hey, look, my gold sell idea did play out though. I had sells based off of gold below this level. This was a 30-minute time frame, and that was below this level. This sell idea did play out. It just didn't give me an entry to take a sell. Well, we had entry after this break and retest. This was a sell I could have took, but this was the zone I was looking to break and retest based off of this idea. I just didn't. Just didn't take it. Would have played out though. Would have played out. Would have been clean. So that's my gold idea. Buys above this area, so below this area. Price that's going to happen during the New York session. London session look like we're in the middle of the range, so probably not going to even happen during this session. Let's see what else looks pretty clean to trade. So let's go. We're gonna put this at the top. Do this look pretty clean? I see we in the range. We have potential to break out to the upside. I took buys around here yesterday during middle of Asia, which is a bad time to trade because the daily candlestick was closing. That's why I lost this trade right here. I shouldn't have took this in the first place because of the time of day. But we might have some potential moves right here on EJ as well. Yeah, all good. All right, thank you, bro. Cause I know I ain't tripping. I think it's just Easter, bro. Let me see what he talking about, bro. I know he probably talking about some bullshit. Hey, bro, turn your desktop volume down, bro. Nigga, I ain't hear me talking to his ass, bro. Hey, Kitty.
What?
All right. Oh no, I still hear myself talking, bro. Fix your audio, bro. Why do I keep hearing myself? Nigga stupid, bro. All right, look at EJ on daily time frame. Same idea. The same way I break down gold, same way I break down EJ. So look on daily time frame. On EJ, we are making higher highs and higher lows. This aggressive push down took out this previous high low structure, letting me know that the daily time frame is now going bearish. Right? So we're going to annotate on here, saying that this is where the sellers take over. Sellers take over, and we want to make sure I know that this is the daily. Okay, that looks too fucking dark, chat. All right, daily is where the sellers took over. Boom. This is where we broke previous daily structure. Get up to the 4-hour time frame to see what's going on the 4-hour time frame on this overall push down. The lower the time frame you go, the more details you get to see. So I want to look at this detail that I get to see right over here. On the 4-hour, we have lower lows and lower highs being created. Boom. All right, never made a new lower high yet. People might look at this like this is a lower high, but it's not a confirmed lower high until we break lows, because price could easily just continue to pull back further and then come down and break these lows. So people selling off of this area, expecting this to be the lower high structure just for the pullback to continue, will get clapped up, or they will be right. It's 50-50. You don't know yet unless you get confirmation that that is the actual turning point. So currently, I have no confirmation that that's the turning point. But we know that the 4-hour is bearish. Our most recent lower high structure is this structure point right here, because this is the most recent high that took out a low. This is a low right here currently. Did we ever have a high that took out this low? No, this low is never taken out yet. So I know that we don't have no lower high in this area.
Wait.
Just yet.
Hey, bro.
What?
Hey, bro. Hold on, bro. Damn, bro. That shit crazy. Hey, bro. We finna do. I'm finna save this shit to my shit, bro.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hold on, bro. We finna break this down together, bro.
Alright, I try to 1-hour time frame to see even more detail. So look at the 1-hour time frame. Inside this 4-hour bearish structure, we have minor 1-hour structure.
Go back to the start, bro.
No. We have inside this bearish 4-hour bearish structure, we have 1-hour bullish structure.
Down,
these are 1-hour bullish structure. Just let me know that this is a 4-hour retracement, right? So
slow it down, bro.
In this 4, shut the fuck up, bro.
You talk so
in this 4-hour bearish structure, you see we have 1 hour higher highs. Yeah.
Shit, you don't hear fucking
he got to
Alex chat talking hella fucking fast, gang.
Just meet this nigga. You talk too much. All right. Inside this 4-hour bearish structure, you will see lower time frame, higher high and higher low bullish structure, because that just letting you know we setting up for a 4-hour pullback. So because we have 4-hour bearish, you're going to see 1 hour and 30-minute small bullish structures. So you see here on the 1 hour, we have this higher highs and higher lows. This push down took out this previous higher low. We failed to make new highs, and then we had a market structure shift right here, going bearish. So right here's where we went bearish on the 4-hour, on the 1 hour, I mean. Now looking at that bearish structure, now what we see, lower lows and lower highs. Looking here, we have this lower low, this lower high. This is the highest point before making a new low, right here. Now we have a new lower low right here. Price decided to push back up after making a new lower low, and guess what? If you look left to get right, you see we broke above this previous lower high, letting me know that the 1 hour is transitioning into bullish structure. Now we have a potential pullback to go higher. So this is where the 1 hour shift to bullish structure, right above this lower high structure here. This is where the buyers got in control, breaking this 1 hour lower high structure. We're gonna make this blue because Blue represents buys. Red represents sells for my chart. All right. Boom. So do a small little recap. So we know that the sellers took control, break this daily higher low structure. So this is where sellers took control. This is where the structure went from bullish to bearish according to the daily time frame. So down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we are currently in bearish structure, and this is our most recent lower high on the 4-hour time frame. Meaning, if we break above this 4-hour level, then this is where the 4-hour was transitioned into bullish structure. Looking on the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, we see we were making lower lows and lower highs as price made its way down. This is my most recent lower high structure, meaning if price was to break back above this area, then the buyers will be taking over rather than the sellers. Okay, and as you can see, price pushed up, took out this lower high structure, and now we have a pullback, smaller pullback, for price to potentially continue up. And that's about how can we execute off of this pullback. Try down to the 30-minute time frame as well. 30-minute time frame, what do we see? So on the 30-minute time frame, we have this low, this lower high, this new low, because these wicks broke below these wicks, and then this push up took out this lower high. So this is where the 30-minute went bullish. If you got any questions, Gizzy, let me know, bro. So this is where the 30-minute went bullish though. I know that because this is my most recent lower high on a 30-minute time frame, and we broke above that area, so we transitioned into bullish structure. Okay. What else? Now we have this structure on a 30-minute time frame. Higher high, higher low, new higher high. So now that we know that this is our most recent higher high, as long as we maintain above this higher low here, 30-minute should continue up. So we could put here 30-minute buys bullish above. All right, now that we have that one, we don't need this one anymore. Okay. So now looking at all my time frames, do another little recap. Daily time frame, sellers are in control. So sellers are in control on the daily time frame. Sellers are in control on the 4-hour time frame. So these are my higher time frames. These are the 2 time frames that I low key want to go with. Yeah, I'm gonna get into that. Yep. Daily time frame, sellers are in control. 4-hour time frame, sellers are in control. 1-hour time frame. Wait, let's go to 4-hour. Okay, 4-hour, sellers are in control. Then turn it to the 1-hour. Buys are in control here, and 30-minute buys are in control. So now this is where we have a mixture of two. We have 2 of my time frames saying buys, 2 of my time frames saying sells. We are in between, meaning that is an indecision. So I would want to take a buy or sell only when I have more time frames in sync than the other. So now I gotta look for those areas. Because I know the daily is overall sellers taking over, and 4-hour sellers are in control, I would ideally only want to go with those 2 directions. So when do I want to take a sell? I will want to take a sell when the 1-hour and the 30-minute goes in confluence with the daily and the 4-hour. So what would that look like on a chart? A break of a 1-hour higher low structure, or a break of a 30-minute higher low structure. The reason why I say high low structure is because those time frames are bullish. So in order for those time frames to go bearish, it has to break the most recent higher low. So I want to find those actual structures. We already know that this is my structural point for the 30-minute time frame. So if price could come down, take out this 30-minute higher low, that means 30-minute will be bearish, daily will be bearish, and the 4-hour will be bearish. And looking on the 1-hour time frame, we haven't printed a lower high yet. So if price decides to push up right now or during this session, take out this previous high, then that will confirm this to be a higher low point, and price end up coming back down to break this higher low, I could take potential sales at this area So position tells that this area being 1 hour, daily, and 4 hour be bearish. Then once we come back below this area, that means all of them will be considered bearish. That's giving me a higher probable setup for the simple fact that all time frames are pointing in the same direction. Right? We don't need this. We don't need this line here just yet because we don't have a direction. So I can delete this line too. This is where the buyers went in control. I don't really need it. So now we're going to get my zones marked up. Now that I have my idea marked up, basically I really want to sell below here. Based off a buyer's perspective, where would I want to look to buy at? So according to the 4 hour, the 4 hour doesn't have a new market structure shift until we come back above this high up here. That's a long way from price. So we're definitely not getting up there during this session. So I'm not worrying about taking buys based off the 4 hour time frame. So now in order for me to take buys, I would need to take buys based off of the other time frames. I mean 30-minute go bullish, 1 hour go bullish, and a daily go bullish. Right? The reason why I can't take that because this is where, or the daily time frame, this is where the sellers took control. This is not the most recent high low on the daily time frame. Right? Because the most recent daily structure will be all the way up here. Because this was the start of the push that took out this low over here. And we never had a retracement since the push started. So buying anywhere based off of this daily in the 4 hour time frames, it lets me know that this is a counter trend trade according to the higher time frames. For the simple fact that we never had a pullback after the push already started. So this was the main push, and we never received a pullback since then, according to the daily time frame. So right now, based off of just a buyer's perspective, I only have this 30-minute structure to go off of. 30-minute and 1 hour. So that makes buys a little bit lower probability, more so a 50-50, because I will be buying against the 4 hour and daily trend, going with the 30-minute and 1 hour trend. But that don't mean I still won't be able to take buys. Like I still just might take buys depending on what time it happens, like what time of the day, etc., etc. But looking now, let's get our zones marked up. We have this level of support right over here. I just adjust this to a little more clean. So drag this left a little bit. The reason why I marked this level of support up because we have this rejection here at this level, and we have this rejection here at this level. There's two rejections. I like those rejections. And if I wanted to make it the support a little bit more thicker, I could capture this rejection as well. But I think there's no need for that. And above this support, we have this level of resistance. The reason why I have this level of resistance marked up is because we have this rejection as support and this rejection as resistance. Can we make a buy entry? Yeah. Now we're looking at, if we zoom out, now we have the inverted head and shoulders, indicating a reversal. So if you look, take this head and shoulder pattern, you have this shoulder, head, shoulder. Let's actually make this a different color. Make this blue because it's a buy example. Then we have shoulder, head, shoulder. This will be the neckline or whatever. In this case, this will be a neck trend line break or whatever to take potential buys above this area. Okay, that looks pretty clean. But if I wanted to take buys above this area, I have to find my targets. So buying above this area, you have to worry about this range right here because this is a range of price. There's no clean structure here. So we're going to annotate this on the chart so we keep in mind that here, this is the area where price struggled to break through. Meaning we had consolidation, no indecision in this area. So if we take buys above this area, we'll be buying right into an indecision level where price could potentially just end up reversing off of because this is the level where we have no decision. Let's go on to higher time frames and look left. Let's see what we have over here. I want to see how this specific area look on the higher time frames looking left. Is this area right here a level of support or resistance? So all I did was double click this area over here and drag it left and extend it left. I want to do the red one as well, right? Because the red one is the overall range. So do I want to now ask myself, do we have rejections inside this range? So we have rejections here, We have rejections here, support here, support here. We have resistance here, and we have support here. So now that I know that this is a area of price that we have struggled to break through in both directions, support, resistance, support. So it lets me know it's a key level, struggled in both directions and not just one. Do I want to buy inside that area? No, I don't. I do not want to buy right into a rejection area. So I would want to wait for us to clear that rejection area to actually take a buy for a higher probable setup. So now that I know this is my rejection area, I want to buy above the rejection area. This will be the top of the range. So now, what do we have? Based off of that same buy, I was thinking about buying above this head and shoulders. Do I want to buy right into this rejection area? No, this is less probable setup because price could come up here, test the level of support, resistance in this case, then reverse back down, and I take a losing trade because this is not a big enough range to trade in. But if I be a little bit more patient and wait till we clear both of these ranges, like so. Now, do I have a big enough range to trade in? Let's look left to see if we have any rejections clearly say right above price. Let's look left. Always look left to get right. So right here, looking left immediately, we know we have clean traffic. Clean traffic based off of this clean push up that was right above this level. Based off of current price or this most recent move, our next level of support, or in this case resistance, is not until we come up into these rejections here. The reason why I have these rejections marked up is because we have this low of support, this low of support marked at the same exact level. Let's extend this left because you want to look left to get right. See how we reacted to this area previously. So looking at previous reactions in this area, we have resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, support here, resistance here, support here, all at the same level. So do I like this level overall? Yes, I do. We have multiple rejections looking left at the same area. But most recently, this will be the exact area. So I can look at this like a target. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. So I would rather take, it's just about a matter of entry now. Would you rather enter right here, knowing that you could possibly come up into this level and lose the trade? Or would you rather enter right here and have, we could possibly come up to this level, then lose the trade? In this case, this will be a bigger range of trade, meaning a higher probable setup, based buying above this level. And this will be going against the 4-hour and daily trend, yes. But if you look at this overextended 4-hour trend, take my fib level and drag it down here, we have potential fib level targets for a 4-hour to have a fib retracement off of, right in the area, putting us in profit after we buy above this area. So this will be aggressive stop to break even kind of trade. And if you get off that 4-hour level and look on the daily push from the top to the bottom, we have an even bigger 4-hour range. Daily range to target as a fib level. This will be my daily fib. Before we have potential reversal. And the good thing about the daily fib is that this overall daily fib I just drew lines up with my overall target off of my 30-minute 1-hour buys. These zones overlapping each other makes this a high probable rejection area for price to come up in this area before deciding to make a decision back down. Can't wait when the market breaks above the support area before entry. Is that okay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You will actually see when I take a trade. If I take a trade during this session. If it happens during New York, then I won't be on a chart. But if you want to see when I take a trade or take the trades that I take, you could join my free Discord. So yeah, for my EJ idea, I will look to sell below this area and buy above this area. Simple. Other than that, it's nothing to do in this area. This is areas of indecision. But overall, I like the trade idea. Same thing. What I always do, copy the image, go to my free Discord, and send it inside the pair that I'm looking at. Paste. Updated. Okay, idea. Let me send my Discord in the chat real quick. So if you want to join my free Discord, there is the link. Inside this free Discord, you will see all the trades I take and all my trade ideas before I even take the trade ideas. So if you're looking here on gold, I think not gold, we're gonna look at GU actually. Look at here at GU, I send all my trade ideas and before I take the trade. Same way you see my areas of interest on here, same way I do it in here. Break and retest examples basically. But we're gonna look at our most recent trades, which was today or yesterday actually. Yesterday I had these zones marked up, buys above here, sellers below this area on GU. Price came into my sellers below area. I copy and paste the chart that I looking at this trade idea. We had clean traffic to the left, 4 hour and 1 hour both telling me I should sell, breaking previous lows. Hourly close below support, stop loss above the 4 hour high, trading this break and retest potential. That was the trade idea, and we got executed here. This is my sell stop to break even point, halfway to my TP, and where's the other, what you call it? Supposed to be another chart in between here. I probably didn't send it, but that was that trade. Oh no, this is the same chart. This is the same chart. Yeah, this is the same chart. Yesterday. Now that I don't have to worry about. Oh yeah, I closed this. Yeah, closed here a few pips in profit. Pretty much break even because we have news coming up. Yeah, so I closed a little bit in profit because we had news, and then I re-entered after the news. So 3 hours after news. Now that I don't have to worry about news, I got the new sell idea. I had to break this low for a sell stop. Stop loss above the high. And boom, price came down, executed on my sell position, came to my sell chart to break even point. Put my stops to break even and just hold the rest of the trade. See how we want it to run. So this is just example of how I like to do things in the free Discord based off of the trade idea. So even if I'm not live on stream, I'll still be active in Discord, in this free Discord, showing the trade ideas I'm taking coming up in each session and when I actually take them. Looking on gold, well, not gold. Where else I took a trade at? I didn't take that. I traded that recently. Oh, this was on UJ. Same exact thing. I sells in this area on UJ. Wait, no, I went back a little bit too far. Deleted the buy stops. UJ finally came on areas. Okay, yeah, I had sales in this area on UJ. Here we go, right over here. Close here for a small loss. Only because I was in gold as well when I was up about 2.5K on gold. So I closed UJ for like a $200 loss because I didn't want to risk too much of my profit that I already made. But this overall trade idea still did run in my direction. I closed around here for a small loss, but my overall stop loss was above here. And this trade actually did run. So whoever wanted to hold it, could have held it. Trade idea still was valid, just I didn't want to risk it. This trade was still a fire trade, ended up coming down to my overall TP based off of this fib level that lines up with the level of support. Same thing with this daily one example here. Remember I said we have a daily fib up here that lines up with support? That was this trade idea. A fib level that lines up with support, or in this case resistance, fib that lines up with resistance as well. So here's where area where I'll definitely be looking to take sales coming into next week. That'd be the two pairs. I don't even want to break anything else down. Those be the only two pairs I'm focusing on today. Oh, I forgot about this one. UJ. This is the same idea from earlier though. So we'll keep this idea. This is my idea from yesterday. I'm actually keep the same idea because it still aligns. We can just adjust this higher a little bit to make sure I capture these rejections right up here. Simple. So I'll take some sells in this area and buys in this area according to USD JPY. Yep, let's see it. Let's see what this boy Kitty talking about, bro. What nigga left? He a bitch. He a bitch, chat. Oh yeah. It's been a long. Let's play some music real quick though. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gon' come. Oh yes it is.
Let me see my tropical G. Yeah, bitch so bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot. Girl, you too bad for me not to press you, yeah. Young fly nigga, I don't follow all these rules, yeah. Bitch, I'm making tunes, I ain't missing, I won't lose. Let's go to an island where the water run is blue. I got two bad bitches in the coop. 42 in the bottle, glasses on full too. Ain't no games, I ain't playing, I want you, yeah. Take a trip, let's go shopping, I got blues, yeah. We got options you could choose. Yeah, you want it, I can buy it, ain't no rules, yeah. I'm just saying, let me help you upgrade you, yeah. Fuck that nigga, he don't care about you, yeah. Girl, move on. He can't treat you like I do, my money too long. I got homies for your friends and we can group on. We are early, hit our shot like Curry. Bitch, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you, yeah. I want you, yeah, bad I wanna shoot like hoops.
Ride around with a coupe. I got what you want, ain't nothing but a loop, yeah.
Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you, yeah.
I want you, wanna shoot.
What's the mood with you?
Sticking like some glue.
shake that ass, make me wanna throw some cash. Girl, you way too bad, throw that nigga in the trash. You know I'm gon' shoot like hoops, while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad. I wanna shoot like hoops, while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot.
I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I be moving cautious. I can't feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I be so exhausted, whoa, I be so exhausted, I close my eyes, I see the vision. All this weed and got me lifted, pour four, and then I finish tonight. I told my mama that I'm with it, got it all like this, my kitchen. Middle finger to these bitches up, cause I'ma do it my way, shit just like the flu, ayy. Shawty said she loved me, I told her who are you, ayy. I ain't with that lame shit since I took at your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they saying. GTA I'm wasted, lately I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit, I'm so done with you, I'm so done with you, I be so exhausted, I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama look what I became. I got Vaughn up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. Man, I put it on my name. Lately I've been wasted, I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you, I'm so done with you, I be so exhausted, you don't hold me down for the last time,
Just spilled fucking drinks all over my.
I've just been so lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony.
There, I just seen your DM. You're so silly, bro. What are you?
Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change.
Thank you, Shakira. I appreciate that, my guys. I love you, man.
So broken, these niggas done changed, yet they knocking my frozen. Smiles can't tell that my heart just been frozen. They know I'm low key, now don't cause no commotion. That's just for promotion. Raw is my emotion. These songs that I'm composing, stay fire, that's cause I'm chosen. And I don't do the posting, but all she do is post them. She like me cause I'm open, and I ain't off the potion. But I might be crispy like a white tee, meditated like Tai Chi, keep a check like Nike. Can't find a nigga that's like me, but I see. Fuck niggas that's high key, flying on me most likely. Can't fuck with me cause I'm icy. I've been so lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I'm leaning on the fixture, and I've been off the liquor. Sipping on that Remy with the Henny with a mixture. They follow me like scripture, and I've been getting quicker. Been had the upper hand, I hand it like we never gon' fall. All my brothers on call. We forever gon' ball. No, it's nothing at all. I just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that we are not the same. No, I'm never gonna change.
I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't focus, sleep, cause damn, I a living dream. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to stop? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times. So I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. Tired of this shit, yeah. Finna flow on my wrist, yeah. I'm writing all these hits, but I wonder what I miss. Yeah. I can never call you my little baby, no. When I drop, I wonder if you say my songs. Cause every time we fucking, we done came and went. But I'm the type to kill for my baby, yeah. I don't care about a fucking rollie or Mercedes, yeah. Need somebody that really ride or dies with me, yeah. But I don't get in my feelings, I get in my bag. Shawty, if you dumb me, no, we can't go run it back. Ain't the first bitch to do the run around. I'm a W first, shawty, how it sound. I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to stop? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times. So I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. Said I'm tired of all the acting and the bullshit. Girl, hit me back or I'll be back with a new bitch. You know they trash, but you recycling the same dick. Girl, you stay shameless, bringing up they fucking names, bitch. I can't put my pride to the side this time. Before I blow up, I'm just trying to make you mine. But if you wanna pay me for my tickets, that's fine. All you gotta do is not reply. I can't wear no heart up on my sleeve, cause it's summer, baby. Only rock basic white tees, try and break a milli. I got women lined up on the silly to get faded with me. They get just as freaky in the sheets, try and get naked for me. Yeah. I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to stop? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times. I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times. So I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide.
Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, hopping now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different with you, tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways. All discussions turn to arguments, you ain't the one I started with. Ain't no conversations without thinking that I'm bothering. I just hate the feeling, girl, I'm sorry, but I'm blocking it. Caught up in your cycle when I really want no part of it. Like I've been abandoned, you've been losing all my trust. Plus you'd always take advantage, so I knew it wasn't love. Playing on my insecurities, I think I ain't enough. Looking deep into the mirror, counting every single flaw. Now you got me doing things, saying things that I never do. Used to say I love you, now I'm never getting next to you. Take me 30 seconds if I wanna find a better you. Don't know why I deal with it, forget the shit I said to you. The Mayday I'm in, you got me falling down. I'm clearly then you're down. This love isn't normal, it's killing me now. Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, hopping now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different with you, tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways. Yeah, I've been thinking about the pain and I can't go back. We ain't never been the same since we left off last. You were running through my veins, had a heart attack. Trying to keep me in your range, wait, fall back. Cause I'm sick of it. Devil and the demon on your shoulder when you're listening. Wishing I was special, but you never treat me different. Talking about a future, but I wonder what you picturing. All you do is run me in a circle, ain't forgiving it. I lost my time, then I lost my mind. You're the reason why I toss around in bed all night. Overwhelmed and suffocated all along those lines. Broken hearted every time you tell a lie. I'm Mayday, I'm here. You got me falling down. I'm clearly distressed, but you won't make a sound. You choose all your efforts, you're up then you're down. This love isn't normal, it's killing me now. Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, hopping now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different with you, tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways.
Nah, this nigga's ass as fuck.
Sheesh. It started a season. I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. I only do sometimes I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey a fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. Let me switch and I'm knowing they cap. I got back up so no one won't scrap. Put us on safe, we pop like a strap. By the blood, they hate it. By the chill, cause these girls overrated. They say that I'm flowing, they put me on playlists. I be rocking off white like I'm racist. I do what I want with my life with the matrix. Be too deep in my thoughts, I be jaded. Forget your opinion, don't need to be graded. I play in that word, they see, but I waited. Gotta hop in the studio and go make a song. By the blow, so they know we can make a bond. She be looking so bad without makeup on. By the hell, it's his wife, call me Genghis Khan. Need my check, man, he always gon' run it. Brody capping this rap, he ain't done it. I can miss you, I'm chasing this money. You work for a goal and they start acting funny. Whenever change, I'm always with my dogs. Yeah, we can hang it for vibe isn't off. I be rhyming all the time, taking off. RPX, I be dripping like Voss. Yeah, we be chill till these people get loud. She a baddie from Apex, she liking my style. Man, need me a show to go lighter. The crowd, we be turning up lately, so what's going down? I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Like I'm flexing, I only do sometimes I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey a fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. Let me switch and I'm knowing the cap. I got back up so no one won't scrap. Can put us on safe till we pop like a strap.
So many thoughts I can't fit on the page. Fuck it, this shit, I'ma shit off the brain. She said she like how I put it together. I been ever so I step out like a plane. Yeah, we hit the block in the cheddar. I keep the door and came up off a stain. I'm just tryna see more Hondas. Jump out the porch, get it anyway. Like that from my father, he went federal. They had him sitting, he ain't had no day for my body with ties. Miss some medicine, that be the only thing he's in the pain. Say more money, more power, just kept on my mom. Cause that money be making a way. In life in the game, but I'm moving with caution. I went hard and go pick up deposits and go make a play, ain't no positive. Gotta make sure everything fall in play like some pollen. She looked me in my vision, told me she all in. I fucked her so good she can't walk out her crawling. Like somebody passed me the ball and I'm ballin'. She showed me again, think her memory jogging. Yeah, watch out, flocking with DK gon' run up the rest while these niggas be jogging.
I need my check, man, he always gon' remind. I had to bust out some raps for the one time. Like I'm flexing, I only do sometimes I need to be gas on my wrist like it's lunchtime. I had to bust out some racks. Show me they fake so I can't get attached. I'm a Carolina boy, now we up on the map. But it's Hershey a fan, I won't get on my lap. No, I'm the kid, it's just hop on the spaz on the track. Never lying, they know that's a fact. I had to bust out some racks. A girl on my line, but I never be here in the back. Bust on the road, but I got back on track. Let me switch and I'm knowing the cap. I got back up so no one won't scrap. Can put us on safe till we pop like a strap.
Pull up 2-door on my lover. Do what I want, I'ma do it forever. Yeah. I want it all, nothing less. I could do what he do, but I'm doing it better. Yeah. Mix match the chrome with Marjala. I can say what I want, I don't fall for the drama. New girl, California. She be driving California. She want me like the vaccine. I made a check, didn't need no degree. I prove them all wrong, who didn't believe. Do it myself, I don't need no team. No kid, no scholar. Hey, made me go farther. You can say what you want, but I'm still unbothered. Go down, get back up. Do it all myself, don't need no backup. Back then, I cannot believe I called you a friend. Hit me up now, get left on red. Learn to forgive, but don't forget. Think about the future, the past is dead. Live my life with no regrets. Every day I go to sleep, wake up to a payday. See me going up, she yelling Mayday. I don't like you when I'm sober. Baby, it's all over. Wanna hop inside the road. Too fine, you belong in the spotlight. Go out every night is a highlight. Dark times right now, you a sunshine. I changed my life when I got rid of problems. I changed my life when I added a comma. Flying to Vegas to meet at a conference. I'll take a risk and I'm confident. I'll face my fear and I'll conquer it. Don't get impressed by a compliment. I'm more impressed from all my accomplishments. More than my diploma. They gon' get sick of me just like Corona. I don't give a fuck, that's my persona.
I've been addicted and I like it. Like a superhero, I guess we must be my sidekick. I cannot go back, so I've been prowling for a new fix. Smoking different strains. Someone tell me where the booth is. Tell me why you lacking. I can trust you cause I know you finna fall. Too many times I told myself this marijuana getting old. I put those thoughts right in a cage. Now I smoke me another bowl. Trying to melt all the time away. Every minute just too cold. I'm a sex addict. I love it when she touches the pole. My automatic bullets addicted to taking souls. We let him have it. Empty the clip and reload. My bullets on go. While I smoke some blow. I need it. I need my fill. Shop the demons cause I'm so rich. And fiending, dreaming. Thinking about my next time. Chasing the dragon. The one at the end of my road. I'm screaming out, fuck it. I hate the drugs. But when I use, I love it. A painful love. The kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction. The whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this. Regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro. This joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here I'll pass you some cash. You should go get more. Walking around with open arms, but my heart remaining closed. Care so much about perception. I buy designer clothes. I don't think they pay attention as long as they're fulfilled. Your homies be there for trips, but don't wanna pay the bill. Won't go up inside my lungs. Decisions so complicated. LSD on my tongue. I don't know if I'ma make it. If I die, I need a blunt. At least to keep me sedated. So tired of smoking runs. Gorilla glue, I'ma face it. Oh, I need the Adderall. The devil hits my line, and I answer that call. I don't care, no, cause I'm on my own highway to hell. Chasing cash flow, but nigga, I ain't fucking with Zell. Like, give me the cash out. These other niggas feel like laugh tracks. It's at the top like a snapback. Your song a flop, we can have that. Used to whip around in a hatchback. Now I drive around smoking big guys. What a white bitch got fat. Told me pass that blunt, that's that shit that I'm my road. I'm screaming out, fuck it. I hate the drugs, but when I use, I love it. A painful love, the kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction, the whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this. Regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro. This joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here I'll pass you some cash. You should go get more.
Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. They all in the front, they show me love, them bitches, they bought their friends. Got racks in my pants and 10 in my hands, look how long I wait for this. I'm Mary Jeans with Dolce Gabbana, Fendi T, I might throw in the Pradas. I stay flying, I do what I wanna. Who the Prince of Flatbush? I'm the king of my hood. Now let's see how that look. DC to New York, just know we all good. But nigga, don't forget who's down for you. Most of these bitches was clowning you. Switch on me, I never lied to you. Now you pull up, I got rounds for you. Yeah. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. We can do this shit all again. Knew what I wanted at the age of 10. No matter story or path, I always knew money was gonna be the end. Did what I want with no consequence. Now we gon' ball at the score again. We not allowed in the store again. I think cause we bought all the clothes again. All of them packages made a shit. Found a new beat and I made a hit. This is the story I started with. We got a boat to the max. Couple bands on my neck. Flying through cash and checks. You don't gotta second guess. I know I'ma be the best. I know I'ma be the best, yeah. Same nigga from the block. Same nigga from the steps. Roll the dice, play it twice. You just might lose your life in these streets every night. I know niggas that was getting this chicken they cooking up. Guess they good in the kitchen. I started off from the street to the city. I'm getting guap. Let's go fuck up the city, yeah. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but you never hanging, I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again.
She wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking down this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She be trying to text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a Tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage, trying to text. You wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking down this liquor in my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She be trying to text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a Tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage, trying to test me. what we had was different. We was caught up in each other. Guess I should've seen a difference. Was caught up with another. Don't know how I'm dealing with it. Don't know how I'm gonna recover. Guess I gotta cut my losses or else I'm just gonna suffer. The damage was done and you weren't the one. This shit was all over before it begun. The shit went and sunk and so did our love. Always forever was short like I thought. So long until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the bed. So long, I'ma be like, it's time for me to vanish. Don't care if you understand it. All the nights you made me panic. I'm anxious to what you planning. Highs and lows you made me manic, but doubled it now I'm frantic. Now I'm leaving empty-handed, but happy to finally end it. 'Cause it don't even make sense when I think about the time I spent. All them years down the drain with them lies you said. Shit was never ever clear, that's why I'm upset. And I was never made aware, fuck, I don't care. The devil on my shoulder saying I should never leave. And I know it's finna haunt you 'cause I'm all you ever need. Now I'm longing for my sanity, it's hard for me to breathe. You told me that you love me, that's some shit I don't believe.
The damage is done. She know the one.
This shit was all over
Before it began.
this shit went and sunk, and so did our love. Always forever was short like I thought. So long until we meet again. So long, I don't need you, my friend. So long, I got 3 in the bed. So long, I'ma be like,
I got voices in my head telling me things, tryna excite the violence. I never liked it, I tried to fight it. That's not me talks, and I think that he's my friend, yeah. But he can't
feels like they been good, like being real, being real. You know that I'm still she bad, got a fish, she's always wanting more. Made one call, get the clap, and they shoot my phone good, but you know it